Hey there, creatives! Here's how to download and install Adobe XD for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop using the official Adobe website. Step 1. Access the official Adobe website. Click the link in the description below to access the official Adobe XD trial page. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for Adobe XD, as it's a powerful design tool that performs best on a well-equipped setup. Step 2. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Once on the trial page, click on the Start Free Trial button. This unlocks 7 days of full access to Adobe XD and other Creative Cloud features, offering you an exciting opportunity to delve into these tools' full potential. You might also want to consider trying out the Adobe Stock Trial, which gives you access to high-quality assets like stock footage, templates, and design elements that can enhance your projects. Step 3. Sign in or create an Adobe account. Sign in with your Adobe account, or create one if you're new. Adobe will ask for a payment method, but don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 7-day trial is up. I highly recommend setting a reminder to avoid any surprise charges. Remember, you can cancel the trial at any time during the 7 days, and you won't be charged if you do so. Step 4. Download the Adobe XD installer. After signing in, you'll be prompted to download the Adobe XD installer. Click on the download button to start the download process. The download may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Install Adobe XD. Step 6. Launch Adobe XD. After installation, launch Adobe XD and start using it for free for an entire week. Whether creating and designing user interfaces, prototyping, or collaborating with others, this is your chance to explore everything Adobe XD can do without paying upfront. Remember, the official link is in the description. Use that to get started and follow along. If this walkthrough helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and happy designing!